For the time being, I am going to mute you all.
Okay, ma'am.
In addition means we have studied counting together. Here,
Good afternoon, ma'am.
yes dear, good afternoon. Adding means counting together. We use the symbol plus for adding, and we use the words total, then sum. Like that words we have studied all together. All these words indicates addition. Now here we are going to study subtraction. Subtraction means what? Anybody knows what is subtraction? Those who know, just raise your hands.
Minus.
Minus. Abigail is saying minus. Okay, other than that, anybody, any idea?
Difference.
Ah, yes, Janisa can. Yes. Difference. Okay. Other than that? Other than that? Anything else? It is correct. Minus, it is correct. Difference we can say. Anything else?
Smaller.
Sorry?
Borrow.
Borrow. If you don't have, if you are borrowing, it will be subtraction. Huh?
Borrowing.
Borrowing, the regrouping will be there. That is, okay. Other than that, anything else? What is subtraction means?
Minus.
Yes, that already said. Anything else? So dear children, subtraction means take away from a group of things or objects, a number of things we are taking away. That means reducing, deducting. For subtraction, we can use the word difference. That also correct. Minus, then reducing. All these words related to subtraction. Okay. How we will subtract 5 minus 3? How we will subtract 5 minus 3?
5 minus 3, 5. 5 minus 3. 2.
Yes. How we will subtract that? We have to take 5 fingers.
5.
How many
And 3
fingers?
in the mind.
5.
3
No,
in the
no,
mind.
no, not into the mind. Not in the mind. You have to take 5 fingers and minus 3. 5 minus 3. You have to take away 3. So for that you have to close 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. How many is remaining? 2. Like that. Like that. 8 minus 2. 8 minus 2. How many fingers we have to take? 8 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 fingers. And from that, you have to take away 2. That means you have to close 2 fingers. 1, 2. How many is remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 8 minus 2, what we got? 6. Okay. Like that. 5 minus 5. Take 5 fingers. And how many fingers we have to close? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fingers we have to close. 5 minus 5. What we got? Answer? What is the answer? 5 minus 5?
0.
So when we subtract,
0.
yes, when we subtract same numbers, we will get 0.
0.
100 minus 100, 0.
0.
1000 minus 1000, 0.
0.
1,25,000 minus 1,25,000.
0.
So when we subtract same numbers, we will get
0.
And when we subtract 0 from a number, if you have 5 chocolates, from that 5 chocolate, I ate 0 chocolate. I ate 0 chocolate means what? Did I take anything? No. So 5 minus 0, what we will get?
5.
Like that 3 minus, yes, 3 minus 0? 3 minus 0?
3.
3. 100 minus 0? 100. When we subtract 0 from a number, we will get the same number. We subtract 0 from a number, what we will get? Same number. Then, when we subtract 1 from a number, what we will get? For example, 5 minus 1. What we will get? 5 minus 1. 9 minus 1. 8. So, when we subtract 1 from a number, we will get the previous number. Isn't it?
Yes.
When we subtract 1 from a number, we will get the previous number. Okay. So,
ma'am.
we can do 2 questions, subtraction. One question I will do that you don't want to copy, just listen. But after that, you have to do one question alone. Okay? In the notebook. Now you don't want to. Now you don't want to write. I will tell when you want to do. Okay?
Ma'am.
Yes. No need to take notebook now. Just listen. After that, I will tell you.
Yeah, ma'am.
All of you, please mute your audio because very much sound disturbance is going on. Please mute your audios. No need.
Ma'am, I can't see. Ma'am, page number.
No page number. No need to open your workbook or notebook. Just pay attention. We are going to subtract 2 numbers. 543 minus 203. Here, each number is having how many digits? How many digits are there? How many digits are there? 3 digits are there. So, which one will be the place values?
100
100, 10, ones. First number 500.
43.
Second number 203.
300.
Subtraction should start. Please mute your audios. Subtraction should start from which place? Jyoti Lakshmi. Ones place. Both addition and subtraction should start from ones place. That means here.
Ma'am, you want to write?
No, you don't want to write, dear children. Please listen. So 3 minus 3. 3 minus 3 you will get. What you will get? 0. Take 3 fingers, close 3. When we subtracting same numbers, we will get 0. Then 4 minus 0. When we subtracting 0 from a number, we will get the same number. 4 minus 0, 4. 5 minus 2. Take 5 fingers, close 2 fingers. You will get 3 fingers remaining. So the answer is 340. You will get 340. Now, dear children, the audio is not muted. Very much disturbance is going on. Okay, take your maths notebook, everybody. Now take your maths notebook. Give the heading, Chapter 5, Subtraction. Chapter 5, Subtraction. Chapter 5, Subtraction. Give the heading and give the side heading, 5.2. And write subtract. Question A, 6,542 minus 1,520. Everybody should start doing this. Do fast. Have you all completed? No, no, no. Okay, okay. Do. Here both number is having 4 digits. So place values will be thousands, hundreds, tens, ones. $6,542. 1,520. And you have to start subtraction from ones place. Ones place. Mridul, please unmute. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Have you completed subtraction?
No.
Yes or no?
I am completing this.
Then do.
Ma'am.
Vaishnav, please unmute.
Ma'am, I come now only. I join now only.
Oh, just now you only joined. Okay. Netik, unmute. Yes.
Which book?
The notebook. In the notebook you can do. Okay. Yes. Netik.
Ma'am.
2 minus 0. What do you got? 2 minus
2.
0? 2. When we subtract 0 from a number, same number. Okay. Next, 4 minus 2. What do you got? 4
2.
minus 2. Take 4 fingers. Close 2 fingers. Then you will get 2. Then 5 minus 5. What do you got?
0.
0. When we subtract same numbers, you will get 0. 6 minus 1. What do you got?
5.
5. When we subtract 1 from a number, you will get the previous number. I know few have joined late. Therefore, you copy down the question and do it yourself and check your answer from the WhatsApp. Okay? Okay. Now, don't close your maths notebook. Open your maths notebook. Keep open. Take your workbook because the calculations we are going to do in the notebook. So, open your maths workbook.
Page number?
Page number 43. Page number 43. Question number 1. Page number 43, question number 1. Parvana, please read question number 1. Page Wait, Parvana, wait. Let me mute all. Now unmute. Unmute, Parvana. Yes.
We
Question number 1, you can read.
begin
Subtraction. Subtraction.
subtraction
Mm.
from the dash.
From the dash.
Ones place.
Ones place. Which is the correct option? Option
B.
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 And write in the bracket option B. If you want, you can write here ones place. Okay. Now, second question. Mohammad Sahil, please unmute and read second question. Okay, read second question.
The
The difference. Difference. When
55 is
subtracted
from 95 is
dash. Dear
dash.
children, you have to careful when from like this comes. Here, these are the two numbers 55, 95. Here, which one is bigger? 95 or 55?
95.
So you have to write 95 first for subtracting, then 55. Okay. Take your maths notebook and in that you can do the subtraction. 95 TO, 2-digit numbers. 95 minus 55. All of you subtract yourself in the notebook. In the notebook, all of you subtract 95 minus 55. Five minus 5. What you will get? 5 minus 5, dear? Mohammad Sahil. 5 minus 5? Muted again. Okay, unmute. Unmute, dear. Fast.
0.
0. 9 minus 5. Take 9 fingers. Take 9 fingers. Take away 5. That means close 5 fingers. Close, take 9 fingers and close 5 fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many is remaining? 4. So what is the answer?
40.
40. Which is the correct option?
C.
C. You can write here 40 and write in the bracket C. Very good. You can mute. Now, next question I want. Jonah, please read. Question number 3. Unmute. Yes. Read the question number 3. Fast, fast.
Ma'am, I don't have book.
Now, can you read from the screen?
Yes.
Read.
The difference between 500 and 300 is dash.
Difference between 500 and 300 means you have to subtract 500 minus 300. Okay. Okay. So how many digits are there for 500 and 300?
3.
3 digits. So which one will be the place values?
Tens.
Hmm.
100 tens 1.
100 tens ones. So 500 minus 300. You can do in the notebook. All of you do in the notebook yourself. Very easy. 0 minus 0. What we will get 0 minus 0?
0 minus 0 is equal to 0.
Here also 0 minus 0, 0. Then 5 minus 3. Take 5 fingers.
2.
Close 3
Three.
fingers. You will get 2. What is the answer?
2.
Yeah. What is the whole answer? Final answer? 2?
200.
Which is the correct option?
D.
D. You can write here 200 and write in the bracket D. Okay. You can mute your audio now. Now, Karthik, please unmute and read the next question. 4th question. Yes. 4th question.
The difference when one is subtracted from and a number is dash.
When we subtracted 1 from a number, what we will get?
0.
I am asking when the difference when 1 is subtracted from a number. 2 minus 1, what you got?
1.
1. 9 minus 1, what you got?
8.
8. 10 minus 1, what you got?
9.
9. So, is the number itself you got, or 0 you got, or the previous number, the next number? Which one will be the correct answer? Which one will
The
be?
next number.
No, next number means after 9, 10 is the next number. Will we get when take away, we will get a greater number. For example, when 9 is subtracted from 1, sorry, 9 minus 1 or 1 is subtracted from 9, we will get 8. This is the previous number of 9, isn't it? 8 is the
Yes,
previous
ma'am.
number of 9. So which will be the correct option? C. Previous number. Karthik, have you understood?
Yes.
Okay. You can mute your audio now. Next, 5th question. Janisa, please unmute and read. Next question. Question number 5. Unmute fast. Yes.
Find the missing number in the following.
Here, the subtraction should start from the ones place and that number only missing. 5 minus 2, what you will get? 5 minus 2? Take 5 fingers.
3.
Yes, close 2 fingers, you will get 3. All of you circle the option C and write in the bracket option C. Now, question number, Kevin, please unmute. Read question number 6.
The difference when 3,333 is
subtracted from
6,666 is dash.
Yes. So, how many digits are there? 4 digits are there, both the number having, isn't it?
Yes.
Here, 3,333 should subtracted from 6,666. Which one is bigger? 6,666 or 3,300?
666.
So we should write that number first. Okay. and down to that 3,333. 6 minus 3, what you will get?
3.
3. Again 3, 3, 3, 3. So what is the answer we got?
3,333.
Which is the correct option?
B.
Option B, 3,333. You can write in the bracket option B. Very good. Next. Arthur, please unmute. Arthur, please unmute. Arthur, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Read the 7th question.
In the subtraction of 4-digit numbers, regrouping can be done in thousands, hundreds, tens, and dash places.
Which places? Thousands. All the places we can do the regrouping.
Once.
Yes. ONES. Once. Very good. Next, I want Abigail. Please unmute. Unmute first. Read the next question. 6,000. Abigail, are you reading? I'll come to you later, dear. I can't hear your sound. Now, Ihan, please unmute.
Ma'am.
Read 8th question.
6,000 minus 6,000 is dash.
Yes. What will we will get?
0.
0. When we subtract same numbers, we will get
0.
0. Okay, Abigail, are you ready now? Will you read question number 9? Can you hear me, dear? No, your voice is not audible to me. Now, Jiva, please unmute and read next question.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Which question?
Question number 9. Question number 9. Page number 44.
33.
3,333 minus?
Minus 1,111.
11. Okay. So, we have to start subtraction from the ones place. 3 minus 1, what we will get? 3 minus 1? 2. Here all 3 minus 1, 2, 3 minus 1, 2, 3 minus 1, 2. So what is the answer? 2,222. Now, Anika, please read the next question.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the
difference between 9,888 and 1,000?
1,000. Everybody should take your notebook and do that. Along with me, you can do. Here both underline the numbers that we have to subtract. THHTO. First number is 9,888. Next number is 1,000. Devach, please unmute. We can do together.
Yes, ma'am.
From where we will start subtraction?
Ones place.
Which all are the digits in the ones place? Yes,
0
Devaj?
and 8.
0 and 8. 8 minus 0, what you will get?
8.
8. Again 8 minus 0?
8.
8. Again 8 minus 0?
8.
8. Then 9 minus 1?
8.
8. So what is the answer we got?
8,888.
8,888. You have to do, dear children, you have to do question 11 and 12 as homework. Okay? Do you all do?
Ma'am, I write.
Okay, those who already done, okay. Others?
Ma'am, I
you have
write
their
the
homework.
10th question also.
Okay, very good. So I'm going to wind up the class. Thank you, my dear children. Bye. See you next day.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye.
Bye.